The next question was again posted by Harika. A question on what is this arrangement? 10 persons L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U are sitting in 2 rows. Okay, arrangement question, some information is given. There are 2 rows here, 1 row facing north and 1 row facing south. So with the given information, try to arrange these people and tell me if you get the arrangement, and then I'll start solving the question. Let me just clear Uday's doubt. Uday says, ma'am, why can't music come inside? Okay, yes Uday, music can definitely come inside. Okay, see, instead of drawing music here, I am assuming, okay, if music was here, right, if music was here, these two are disjoint. So the unique that is here, right, which are boring, still these unique can never be music, because these unique are already boring. These unique which I have shaded can never be music. I hope it is clear now. Okay, now try this one, take the next 1 or 2 minutes, try this arrangement and let me know once you are done. Yes, what's happening to this question? Any of you got the arrangement? Is it that difficult? Shall I start solving it? Any of you, are you still trying? Anyway, if you are still trying, kindly use the next slide to continue trying. I will start solving the question in the meantime. What is given here? Read the following information and carefully answer the questions below. 10 people L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T and U are sitting in 2 rows. 5 persons are sitting in row 1, all of them are facing north, and 5 persons are sitting in row 2 and all of them are facing in south. So L faces the person who sits third to the left of M. So basically people are facing each other, right? So one group is facing north and one group is facing south. So I am going to take this as row 1 and this as row 2. Okay, so here people are facing up and here people are facing down. Then only they will be able to face each other. If I put row 1 on top, row 2 on bottom, then they will be facing away from each other. Based on whatever is given, I have just taken it like this. So where do I start? Okay, let us take this. 2 persons sit between N and O, which is in row 1. So this is row 1. There are 2 people between N and O. So this will be, there are 2 people who sit between N and O in row 1, and in each row 5 people are there, right? So there are 2 possibilities again here. What else is there? U and P, S faces M. So in one case this will be third to the left of M. 3 persons sit between U and P, sits diagonally opposite to N. So basically N and O is in this row, U and P is in this row. 3 persons sit between U and P who sits diagonally opposite to N. So basically N is in one corner, right, diagonally. Here they are giving 3 persons sit between U and P who sits diagonally opposite to N. So, and again 3 people sit between U and P means, if you look at the second row, yeah, if you look at the second row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right, out of this 5 people, see how will it be? Let us put the second row people first. I have 5 people in second row. Here UP, this has to be UP, whichever way, right? If this is U, this is P. If this is P, this is U. There are 3 people sitting between U and P, and N and O are in row 1. So let us try both the cases here. I am going to put U here and I am going to put P here. That's going to be my first case. If this is the case, then where will N be? P is sitting diagonally opposite to N. So this has to be N, and 1, 2, and this will be O in this case. Now I am going to try the next case. Next case is where if this is P, okay, then I have 1, 2, 3 and this is U. And now I have, if this is P, this is N, 1, 2, this is O. Okay, so these are the 2 cases that we have based on the given information. Then what is given? Q sits to the immediate left of R who faces T. Q sits to the immediate left of R who faces T. So where can I place Q and R? And it is given L faces the person who sits third to the left of M. So where can I place L? Let us try to place L in this line. Can I place L in this line? L faces the person who sits third to the left of M. Can L come here? No. L has to face the person who is sitting third to the left of M. Not possible, right? So can L come here? L is facing the person who sits third to the left of M. This can be L and might be I can put M here, right? L faces the person who sits third to the left of M. Might be that is possible. Now if this is the case, then what is given? Q sits immediate left of R who faces T. So Q is sitting to the immediate left of R who faces T, and it is given S faces M. But if I put L here and M here, it is given that S is facing M. So can I put L here? Not possible. Can I put L here? Not possible. See, L has to face the person who is third to the left of M. If L was in row 2, right, the only place where I could have kept him was here, but if I place him here, this has to be M, which is not possible. So obviously L has to be in this line. So L has to be in this line and M has to be in this line. So basically in this question there are a lot of options that come, possibilities that come. You will have to find out the correct possibility and then go about solving. Okay. So L is here, M is here. Then next what is to be done? Here where can I place L? Let us try to put L here. L sits opposite to the person who is third to the left of M. So this can be M. Correct? Is there anywhere else that I can put L? If I put L here, L is sitting opposite to the person third to the left of M, not possible. Only place where I can put L is here and this will be M. Then next what is said? So I have used this information. Q is to the immediate left of R who faces T. And 3 persons sit between, okay, that is used. Neither L nor M faces Q. S faces M. So S faces M means this is S. Now where will Q and R be? Obviously Q and R have to be here in this line. Q sits to the immediate left of R. Q sits to the immediate left of R who faces T. So this will be Q. So this has to be your final arrangement. U, M, R, Q, P, N, S, T, O, L. Okay, you can try this out. Now if P was here, U was here, N is here, O is here, then what will happen? Here then what else is asked? L faces the person who is third to the left of M. So let us try to put L here. If L is here, L faces the person who is third to the, L can't come here at all, right? Third to the left of M, not possible. So basically L cannot come in this line. So L obviously has to be in this line. Again, where will L come? L can be here. L faces the person who is third to the left of M. So M is here. I think you will get the same arrangement the other way around here. Yeah. So anyway, this is going to be your correct answer. See, you will get the same arrangement here. It will be the other way around. That's all. So this is the final arrangement. All of you got this arrangement? I don't think Harika had given the questions that follow this set, but this is the way you solve it. I think that she has asked only for the arrangement. She has not asked any questions, not given us any questions from this set. But once you get the arrangement, you will be able to solve all the questions that follow. Okay.